So you might be in this really weird situation where your Apple Watch is stuck on a charging screen. Now, what does this mean? Well, this basically means that your particular watch, as you're going through and charging it or you're doing anything with it, you may see that there's just a charging screen that it's stuck on and you're trying to figure out what's going on. Now, the number one reason why this ends up happening is because your Apple Watch is completely dead. So what does this mean? Well, your watch just has completely died and it's just going to have to charge up for a while. So the thing you're basically going to have to do here is to set your Apple Watch on a charger of some sort. So put it on some sort of wall charger or something along those lines. And what you're going to want to do is you just want to go ahead and have it completely charge up or charge, at all. That way you can go ahead and use your watch. This is the number one thing that I'd recommend doing because this in and of itself is going to be the number one thing you can basically do here. So that's basically the number one thing to keep in mind. So if you're going to want to, all you're going to want to do is go ahead, charge up your watch and just let it sit there for like 30 minutes or an hour or something like that. If it's completely dead, that's basically the number one thing that's going on here. So completely charge it up, and that's the first thing I'd recommend doing. Now, for some reason that's not working, you may just want to double check the backside of your Apple Watch, I keep calling it Apple Watch, the backside of your Apple Watch, and you may want to wipe this thing down. You may want to kind of figure out what's going on here, because if it's not charging, that could be the number one issue that you're basically having here, is because you're not having a good connection. It may also mean that your particular watch that you're using, your watch charger, may have some issues with it too. So you may want to go and reconnect it or figure that out, because that's another issue that can basically happen. If you're able to get it, turn on and everything, you may just want to go ahead and basically just update your watch or anything like that. But those are basically the main things you're probably going to want to do. So that basically covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.